Good morning, children. So today we are going to discuss in our first class mathematics. Is a new topic we'll start. What is that? Addition up to 10. What is that? Addition up to 10. So here addition up to 10 is there now. This is a new topic. Now first of all I'll show this one. You see that by using of a additions, addition means there is a all together. For example, in your home, your father, mother, your brother, sisters are there, na? All people, how many members are there? Means how you will say? You will count. My father is there, my mother is there, my brother is there, my sister is there. Yes or no? So same as this, you can. The pictures you can add. Okay, na children? So once you see, they given as a one photograph. See here. So there are one girl. You can see that. Look at the picture first of all. So the picture once you show, you can see what kind of the picture will be there here. There is a one girl is there. How many remaining 4 boys are there? Okay, 2 boys are playing shuttle. 2 boys are playing football. Yes or no? So question they asked. What questions they asked? I will see. So here there are one girl. Yes or no? How many girls are there? Only one girl. You can count it. One girl is there and 4 boys playing in the park. What is the total number of children in the park? Count it. How many children are there in a park? Okay. So now I'll count it. You see here. One girl. I'll show this one. So with a red color. See. One girl. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there? 5. That's why I am writing this answer is a, just to be here. I write how many members are there? 5 members are there. Okay, na children? Understood now all of you? Very simple. 5 members are there. Now next page. Understanding the addition. You can now small additions we can understand. Wait. Okay, additions we can understand it. Okay, na? Understanding addition is there, na? Addition means what? Putting things or objects together. All together is called as the addition. I'll write here. For example, together means I'll draw one diagram once you see. For example, this is a one person is there. This is a one person is there. So this is a one person is there. Okay, now you say that putting together means 1, 2, 3. How many members are there here? Total 3 members, like this. So addition means putting things or objects together. All you can keep in a one place. That is called as a addition. Okay, na? So we call another name is also there. How to add means, for example, I want to write there's a 2 members are there here and another 3 members also came to my home. For example, in my home 2 members are there. 3 members are relatives came to my home. Then how can we see that total how many members are there in your home? Not 23. 2 plus 3. Plus symbol is useful. This is addition. Plus means addition. Plus means addition. Okay, na? So here and here you can say that there is this is called as a plus. How to call? Plus. This we call as a plus. Okay, na? See here in that see 3 girls are there and 2 are more extra people they came. The total how many are there? 5. Yes or no? See, 3 dolls are there. I am showing clearly. 3 dolls are there. See, 3 dolls are there. Plus and means plus. Addition. More 2 are ready to come. 2 dolls will come. And make it as a equals to the how many dolls are there? Total 5 dolls it came. How many dolls are there? 5 dolls it came. Okay, na children? Now comes to the another one. We say that 4 cars are there. Now what? How many cars are there here? 4 cars are there. And plus, and means plus. And 2 cars are extra it came. Okay, I'll write it. So 4 cars are there plus 2 cars extra it came. Then total how much? 6. Count it, Amma. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many? 6 are there. That's why 6 cars are there or not? Definitely 6 cars are there. Okay, children. Understood all of you? Yes. Now we can count and write it. Okay, na? How many are there? How many total? We'll write it, Amma. Then see here. How many are ice creams are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many? 4 are there. Count, we written 4. And the extra plus symbol is there, na? Plus. And more 2 is there, na? 2. Total how many, Amma? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6 came. Okay, na children? And now this side, 2, this lollipops are there, na? How many are there? 2 lollipops are there. Here how many lollipops are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total how many? 7 lollipops are there. Okay. So total how many? So this side 2, this side 7. Total how many, Amma? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many lollipops are there? 9 lollipops are there total. Okay, na children, understood all of you? Very simple and very easy, na? Now comes to the another paper. Okay, na? Now mangoes they given. Very interesting. Wait. Very interesting one. Mangoes are there. Now count it, write it, Amma. How many are there? Counting mangoes. 3 mangoes are there. Yes or no? 3 mangoes are there. And this side how many mangoes are there? 2 mangoes. Total count it. How many mangoes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total how many? 5 mangoes are there. You can write neatly. 5 mangoes are there. Next this side, what is this? Oranges only. Oranges, right? So total how many? This side how many, Amma? See here. 4. Okay, na? 4 oranges are left side and remaining right side is a 2. Total count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many? 6 oranges are there in a total. Okay, na children? Understood all of you? And now here the flight diagram is then a flight aeroplane. Okay, children, all of you are you interested to fly in a aeroplane? Yes. Okay. Now so this side how many are there, Amma? You see here this is a 2 only. This side how many? 2 only there. And this side you can see how many are there. This side is a 4 are there. Yes or no? Total how many? Counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many? 6 members are there. Sorry, 6 flights are there. Okay, children, understood all of you? Very easy. And counts to this side. These are balls, no? These are all balls only, I think. Okay. On this side, how many balls are there? I'm going to round it. 2, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6 are there. Okay, na? And this side, right side, how many are there? 4 are there. Yes or no? Total, how many? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 10 balls are there. Okay, na children? Clear and understood all of you? Very easy. Okay, na? Now we'll go for the another topic, that is a addition on a number line. What is that? Addition on a number line. So number line means let us add 4 and 5 using a number line. how to add I'm going to show. Start from 4 and number line. See, start from 4 and number line and move 5 steps forward, you will get the 9. Okay na? See, 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 means I'm going to show. See how it will be, how it will count means 5 times you can change. See here, I will show this example on a number line. I will show this example. This is I'm drawing number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay na? See, 4 onwards, what they given question? 4 plus 5. 4 onwards, 4 na. 4 onwards, you can, how many times? 5 times. 4 after 1 time, 2 time, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times na? What you will get, this answer is 9. Got it na? Got it? Yes or no? Very simple. So now this is a example for that. And next now we can do it. We can do it. Now 2 plus 7. How we can show this a 2 plus 7? See here. Actually I'm going to count. Actually we drawn this one, but I'm going to show innately how to go for this. 2 after 7 times you can add. So 2 after 3, 3 after 4, 4 after 5, 5 after 6, 6 after 7. Okay, 7 after 8, 8 after 9. First you count. What is it? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times and 7 times. Yes or no? 7 times na? What is the answer? You will get it. That is a 9. Write the 9. Very simple, children. Very easy. And 6 plus 4. 6 onwards you can count 4. 6 after 1 time, 2 time, 3 time and 4 time. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times means what you will get the answer? 10. Okay na? Next 4 after. Here this is a 4 after. What it will become? So leave this number some. This is no need to think. This is roughly we given. Wrong this is. So here we can wrong. 4 plus 5 na? 4 after 5 you can count. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time. What you will get there? Answer is a 9. Right? Then 1 after 7 you can count. 1 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? What is that answer? 8. Okay na children? Understood all of you? Very easy, simple. And now addition using forward counting. So forward counting means, see here ma. Do you know you have fingers na? You can count it. Fingers are there. So for example 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. How to count it? So here you can count 5 after 3 numbers or 3 after 5 also you can count it. Not a problem. Okay na? So 3 and 5, count 5 numbers ahead of 3. So 3 after 5 numbers you can count. Use your fingers. For example, your fingers are there like this. You can show, roughly I'm going to show. 1 finger is just 2 finger, 3 finger, 4th finger and 5th finger is there, for example. You can count that. 3 after 5 you can count. Yes or no? See, 3 after which number will come? 4 number, 5 number, 6 number, 7 number, 8 number. Okay. So 5 na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers are there. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer? 8 is the answer for that. Okay, na? They written already. Now, by using of your fingers, we can do it perfectly. Okay, na? Now count it. You use your fingers, amma. 7 after in your fingers. Okay, na? 2 fingers are there, na? For example, I will count it. I will show this one. See, your hand fingers I shown, just roughly I shown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 fingers, na? Now 7 after 2 will count, na? 8 will come, 9 will come. Yes or not? Only 2 fingers only you can consider. That's why 8 and 9. What is the number will come? Answer is a 9. 9 is the answer. Understood all of you children? So then 4 after 4 you can count. So for example, roughly I am going to draw. Okay. I am going to write. Just wait. So again I am going to draw. For example, so 4 after 4 number will become, okay, I'll write that. That is a 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 4 you can count na. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 only fingers you can count. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. What is that answer? 8. Okay. So do this remaining also fastly. 2 after 5 numbers you can count. So how many? Directly shall I write? 2 after which number will come? Simple. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count your fingers. It will come. What is the 7 will come? 5 after 1, only one number you can count. One finger only. 5 after one number means that is a only 1 means there is a 6 will come. Very simple, very easy. Okay. And 6 plus 2 means 6 after 2 fingers you can count. 6 after 7 will come. Wait. 6 after 7 will come and 7 after 8 will come. 2 only 2 count na. That is a 2. That's why 8. Okay na children? Understood all of you? Very simple. And 3 after 3 numbers you can come. So what is the 3 after 3 will come means 6 will come. You can count it. Okay. So you can easy to say that you can count it, my children. And 6 plus 3. 6 after 3 you can count. 7, 8, 9. 3 numbers only na counting. What is the answer? 9. 4 after you can 2 you can count. 5, 6. What is the answer? 6. So 3 after you can find 5 you can count. Already we written 5 plus 3, 3 plus 5. How many? 8. Answer is 8. Okay na children? Very simple, very easy. Okay na? So that's all for today. So next class we'll discuss the remaining topic. Okay na children? You can practice more. Shall I give homeworks to you? I'll give homeworks to you. Listen carefully. Just wait. I'll give homework to children. Homework I am giving. Do this homework. In your notes you can write it. Okay na? 5 plus 4 box. So 2 plus 3 box. You write in a box. So 3 plus 1 box. So 2 plus 2 box. Okay na? So these 4 questions I given to you. Do your homework. This is your homework. Okay na? Right? Okay. Okay na? Right. So right, next class we'll discuss the remaining topic. Okay. Thank you children.